Henry Ford was born on a farm in Michigan in 1863. He was fascinated by machinery from a young age. He loved to tinker and learn how things worked. Ford was mechanically inclined. At 16, he left the farm for Detroit. He wanted to work with engines. Ford found employment as a machinist. He learned about steam engines. He also studied the new internal combustion engines. Ford believed in the potential of automobiles. He envisioned a future where cars were affordable for everyone. His vision drove him to innovate. In 1896, Henry Ford completed his first automobile. He called it the quadricycle. It was a simple vehicle with 4 bicycle tires and a 2-cylinder engine. The quadricycle was a success. It proved that Ford could build a working car. This success encouraged him to continue his automotive pursuits. Ford continued to refine his designs. He wanted to build a reliable and affordable car. In 1903, Henry Ford established the Ford Motor Company. His goal was to produce cars for the masses. The company's first offering was the Model A modest runabout. The Ford Model T, introduced in 1908, was a revolution. It was simple, reliable, and easy to maintain. The Model T was also affordable. Ford achieved this by introducing innovative manufacturing techniques. He implemented the assembly line. The assembly line significantly sped up production. It also reduced costs. The Model T became a massive success. Ford sold millions of them. The car changed American society. People were now able to travel further and more freely. Henry Ford's impact extends far beyond cars. His assembly line revolutionized manufacturing. It influenced industries worldwide. Ford also championed fair wages for workers. He introduced the $5 workday, a significant increase at the time. Ford's legacy is complex. He was a visionary entrepreneur. He was also a controversial figure. However, his impact on the automotive industry is undeniable. Ford made cars accessible to the masses. His innovations shaped the modern world.